Why?
So Lulu wants me to do some blush on her. So this is my blush drawer. I've got, do you want cream or powder? Powder sort of lasts longer. Cream looks more natural generally. This is nude sticks, so we'll put it on the apple smile. So the apples are kind of these round as part of your cheek. That's a funny face. I think more of a smile would be better. Cute.
I like the pink.
This one's violet.
I went pink.
There. So lovely. I'm gonna do my brows here.
Sorry. Oh yeah, I need my brows too. What colour do you think they are?
Your brows are perfect. You have a lovely natural brow. Something. Zoom shadow stick. And I like to use it just around my lash line like that.
Ooh, la 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 la.
Brushed up.
Maybe not.
No? Is that what you wanted?
No.
No? Okay, we'll flatten them a little bit.
There's just on fire like, ah!
Brows on fire. Yeah. There you go.
Should be a song, is it?
Well, there is a similar song, but it's not Brows on Fire.
Is it This Girl Is On Fire?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know that one.
Girl is on fire.